Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. I received an item about 3 weeks ago from TERELAX. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I waited to do a review on it. I wanted to try it out and use it for a little while, and we love it. Me and my husband have been using it every day, and my husband is so happy that we received it. Thank you so much for the massager. I'm going to show you it, and then I'm going to show you how to use it. It is so pretty. I went with the white one, and I just love white, so I like that it is pretty also. And it comes with a control, and I have the little manual right here, and it got delivered super quick. You can tell it's a very well made. I'm going to have all the links down below in the description. Let me show you how I use it real quick. We will light a candle first. Have it smelling good and relaxing in here. And it's nap time right now, and we're going to watch some TV. But I have been enjoying using this at nighttime, because you know I'm a mama and I stay on my feet most of the day, so it always helps. But since Jason really loves using it too, I'm going to have him using it right now also. So Jason is using the machine right now, and it has the lights on it. It has different speeds, direction, mode, manual, and it also has heating.
Turn the heating on. It feels really good with the heat.
And Jason has actually paid and been different places for massages, right?
Yes.
And he said that this massager is better than any person massaging his feet. He would go to the mall or different massage places, and he enjoys this better.
You know, because they can only do 1 foot at a time, so you got 2 feet in. And I like for it to grab you, and it
hits all the
yeah
spots it needs to.
You can even turn it sideways and kind of, you know, the side of your foot.
And it goes for 15 minutes at a time. So it has a timer, and you hit it and it's on for 15 minutes, and it'll cut off.
You put it on manual, and then you control your speeds, slow it down. Then you can turn your directions. It goes one way, and it turned around. Now it's going the opposite way. I like manual because you can speed it up when you want. So the massager is really good. Also, it helps because it comes with a remote as well. So the massager is off. Right now my back hurts, so I don't have to bend down. I can hit on, and it comes on with a mode already set, and you can actually go up on time on the mode as well, or just press different modes, and it does different massages, faster, slower. That's just on automatic speed. So when you want to use the speed, you'll go to manual. You'll hit manual, and it comes on the timer as well. You can change. And then you can change the speed if you want it slower, faster. Also directional. Directional is a really good one. It either goes one way or the other, but you know, different settings. One of my favorite things is the heat. It has a heat button, and you push that, and oh, that feels really good. So I think that the massager having the remote is a really, really good thing for it as well.
And if you just feel like relaxing and being lazy, you don't have to bend down. You can just push a button like a Jason. He'd prefer not to bend down, right?
No, not at all.
And it is also good to massage your calves.
Ankles, lower calves, all that feels amazing.
And me personally, I have never liked massages, not back massages, not feet massages, legs, nothing. Do I?
No, not at all.
And this machine, I absolutely love it. Last night I was doing my Bible and I used it for 45 minutes and I enjoyed every minute of it.
I actually used it before this video too.
Yeah, he was
the baby to sleep.
Yes, I was rocking Jaslynn to sleep and I could hear him in there doing the 15 minutes, so he was enjoying himself while I was rocking Jaslynn. And we're just gonna watch a little bit of Netflix or YouTube and relax while she's napping, and I'm gonna use the massager also. With Christmas coming up, this would be a great gift for Christmas. I think so many people would love this because I know I have a handful of family members who love massages and friends who would really like this. So if you're needing to find a Christmas gift, look into this massager or their other massagers. They carry foot massagers, leg massagers, eye massagers, back massagers, and cushion massagers. So they have plenty of options to choose from. This one that we have, I chose in white, and I love white, but I know some people like different colors. So in this one, they carry white, red, gray, and black. So there's different color options also. They have a warehouse in the USA, so they have super fast delivery. They do a guaranteed 15-day no reason return. So if you don't like the item after having it, if you return it within 15 days, you don't have to give a reason for it. And they have different health benefits to it. Like we all know, massages relieve stress, which us mamas and many people need. This massager is so well made. I would say, in my own terms, it's like a heavy duty massager. The company has over 10 years experience in manufacture, and they have competitive prices and great service. Once again, thank you so much, TERELAX, for sending me this awesome massager. I'm so blessed to have this now, and we are enjoying it every single day. Make sure that y'all go and check out their website and let me know down below if you order something.